So the next thing we're going to look at is resilience and growth mindset. And this can have a massive impact on the children's mental health and well-being. Just having that total positive outlook rather than a negative inward-looking mindset. We have introduced this little resource and video around the power of yet, which is we've used it endlessly, haven't we, and had such amazing results with it.
Yeah.
And the children love it. It brings energy and positivity into the room, and it really elevates the children.
And it also gets over the message of the power of yet.
Yeah, absolutely.
That if I can't do it in the beginning and I practice, then I'll improve and I'll get better, and then I'll be able to do it. But I have to put in, I can't do this yet. But I will if I
will be able to.
I'll be able to do it. And it's the message that is throughout the little movie.
Yeah.
Which is lovely. So should we have a look?
Yeah, let's have a look.
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed that. We love doing that. We have those in assemblies. We have those wherever we can. We fit it in.
I hope they joined in.
I hope they joined. Brilliant. But there's other kind of activities that you can do around that and kind of progress that power of yet idea. One is to write a poem about the power of yet. So that can be their own thoughts, their own feelings. Maybe they could dramatise that poem of something that's happened to them as a personal experience. So something that they've really not wanted to do.
Yeah.
They've tried it and felt that, oh, actually, I can do this. And I use the power of yet to be able to do that. So that might be an experience that they want to write down.
Yeah.
We could also create a power of yet poster. We've got some lovely resilience-based ones on iMoves, but you can print those off and stick them around your classroom. But then if the kids kind of come up with their own ideas and their own posters, they own it, don't they? So lots of different ways that you can start to build this message into their thought process and into their mindset, so they can start to think, actually, even if I do fail, it's okay.
Yeah.
It does not matter, because failure means that I will progress and be successful in the end. So the power of yet is a really good way to start that. And the power of yet movie is just an absolute winner.